Hi, this is Tyson Bannigan, the Energy Detective, and this is a new short clearing from the Deep Clearing Protocol for July 23rd, 2019. So spin your pendulum counterclockwise while stating the short clearing statement below, which will be in the notes part of this video, and also will be uploaded in the files section of the Dowsing and Energy Healing closed Facebook group, and the link to that will also be in the notes as well. So spin your pendulum counterclockwise while stating the short clearing statement below. And when you are 100% clear, please don't forget to spin your pendulum clockwise and install what you do want. Okay, I, open bracket, state your name. So in my case, it would be I, Tyson Bannigan, in my holy name, translate, transmute, transfigure, heal, and repair all non-beneficial energies, core fractures, and toxic emotions related to, open bracket, any limiting belief or any situation from my childhood or any other thing I want to clear, close bracket. And I ask for the assistance of Lakshmi, God or Goddess, or your light team, or Creator God, or Mother Creator, or whoever you work with, to undertake this clearing, to assist in undertaking this clearing throughout my matriarchal and patriarchal families of origin, soul family, and star family lineages, and throughout the multidimensional levels of my being. All timelines, past, present, and future, and all space-time continuums and dimensions, both known or unknown. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. In my holy name, I declare it so. So be it. It is done. Thank you. And don't forget, once you've cleared, please install what it is you do want. So here's the deep clearing short. Here's the deep clearing short clearing manifestation statement. Spinning your pendulum clockwise, state words to the following effect. I am a whole sovereign human being, or I, Tyson Bannigan, and state your name, am a whole sovereign human being free of any and all intrusions into my energy field from any and all sources known or unknown. I always have been and always will be loved by Creator no matter what I think I may have done wrong. I'm always guided by Creator to be in the right place at the right time, and therefore I'm always safe and secure. I remember why I incarnated and what unique gifts I am here to deliver to the world. In my holy name, I declare it so, so be it. It is done. Thank you. So there you are. That's the latest update for the short version of the deep clearing protocol. Bye for now.